Just gotta clean it up a little bit. I mean, look how filthy it is. And the stockpile gets bigger, as you guys seen by the cover. I went and purchased some Kooks headers for the 2024 Mustang. So I'm just gonna be unboxing it, giving you guys a quick look. And again, this is not supposed to be a long video, just showing you guys some of the stockpile that I have been ordering. So let's get into opening it. So of course, when you unbox it, you got the left side and the right side. So we're just gonna go ahead and look at this side over here. Pretty heavy, so it might have. Oh, there we go. So this part right there. All right, so I had to pause it for a second, took everything out the box, and everything is now set up over here. So over here, you have the header, which I might say is a very good craftsmanship. I mean, it did a really good job on this header. If you know anything about me, you know I do not skimp out on parts. I do not like cheap things. I'm not saying that cheap things don't work, but I am more of a quality person. And these headers look really good. On my last Mustang, I had the ARH headers, and those actually performed really well too. Those are more on the higher end too, but these Kooks, they look really good. So you got the connection pipes here. You got the header, more connection pipes, and then they actually sent over the stuff to actually install this stuff. So you got the ball and socket kit, bolt kit, wires, instruction manuals, everything, decals. So yeah, this is gonna sound really, really good. So if you guys heard, Whipple said that they will not be shipping out their kit till January. So I believe it's safe to say that most other companies probably is gonna follow suit with that. I don't think we're really gonna have any power this year, but we're in November, so what is it, about 2 more months till January. So I mean, I'm not really pressed for it, man. I'm just gonna continue to get all the parts that I need for the car, so that once install day comes, we can put all these parts on the car and we can be literally done with it, go to the strip, get some numbers, and just have a good time with it. So I'm not really, I don't really care about, you know, when things come out. You know, it's not really that big of a deal to me. But in the meanwhile, I still will buy parts of the car so we can just get it out the way. So most of you guys are wondering, am I going to keep the stock exhaust, or am I gonna get a different axle back? So I am actually going to wait for Corsa to drop their kit, the active exhaust kit. If you guys heard headers with Corsa Extreme, very loud. So this time I'm gonna go very minimum. I might get like the sport because I don't need anything that loud. It's more so just, you know, to get everything 3-inch, you know, so we can have that flow free and exhaust. So yeah, just wanted to give you guys a quick update. Look over the headers one more time. Yeah, it's gonna be nice, very, very nice. Flip it over. Oops, sorry about that. All right, guys, until next time, until I buy some more parts, just hit that subscribe button and stay up to date for any other updates. Again, thank you guys for watching. Until next time.